Hello my dear friends. Ever wondered what the most satisfying machines and unique creative tools look like? In this video, we're diving into the world of mesmerizing mechanics and ingenious gadgets that make you go wow. From perfectly aligned gears to tools that turn ordinary tasks into art. Get ready to be amazed. This hydraulic machine is very powerful and strong. It can smash everything that goes under it. This tool has a rotating motor which throws this plastic object for playing. Big amount of harvested crop can be collected in one time by this very amazing machine. These workers are using this tool for uniformly spreading of sand. Too many blades inside this machine can cut a tree into many parts very quickly and easily. This machine has two arms which are cutting these dough into many thin slices. This is how the pool balls are placed on the table of pool game. This machine is just awesome. Cutting the wood parts into very amazing shapes. The arm of this big machine used to destroy any big objects like car, etc. This is how the cash is counted in the machines. Do you ever see the ships please into the sea or river? You can crush the big stones into many small parts by using this machine. Just drop the stone into this machine and this machine crushes the big stones into very small parts. The driver of this excavator is very experienced. He knows very well that how to control the arm of this big excavator. This machine is very fast. See how the vegetables and fruits are cut very quickly by this machine. This machine is used to apply the posters and stickers on various objects. Mainly it works on buckets. What about this invention? This is very useful and power-saving invention to climb out the heavy objects to the roof by the stairs. This machine can have harvest all the onions in the line in only one turn. This worker is unrolling the black carpet and this carpet goes downward itself. This is how the holes are made into the ground by using this very amazing and useful machine. This machine is used for removing the tiles or posters accumulated on the floor. Very satisfying machine to clean the big rotating blades of very big machine. This is how the fences around the field can be applied only in few minutes by using this very amazing and unique machine. The driver of this excavator machine is very experienced. Just look at his skill. Tires are put into this machine and the machine crushes them into small shape. This is very big tractor having the big machine which can cut huge amount of copper in only one turn and in only very few time. Just look at this video. It is very satisfying and heartwarming. This worker is using this machine to cut the tires of the big tractors and machines. This machine has a very sharp and fast moving blade which can cut the tires very easily. The plastic pipes are made in this machine. This machine is used for making caps. Just put the cap into this machine and this machine complete the process of full cap. This machine has the many surf and fast rotating blades with a beautiful cutting the unwanted branches of trees and to decorate them. This is how the packing process is done into the factory. This machine is automatic and have strength to do work in very less time. This is very amazing machine for noodle making. All the things that goes into this machine can be pressed very easily. By using this machine's construction workers can do their work very quickly and very easily without giving them more hard work. This is how the designs are made on the jewelries. This machine makes star design on gold jewelry that looks very cool. Crushing of drums is made very easy by this amazing machine. This machine can lift money objects and products from very high and for places that can save very much time and energy of humans. Metal sheet is gone through this machine for making and converting it into a desirable shape. This machine can do holes into the wood very easily. This is how the cars are painted into the factories. They goes through a process and then dip into the pond of color. Just look at this big and heavy truck which can do all the works very easily. Metal sheets are converted and into desirable shapes by putting the sheets into this machine. This machine is used to the bad road. It has many heavy roads that can crush the road in very less time. This machine has a very strong and powerful road that is used to destroy and break the stone. This machine has a very fast rotating blade which can cut the trees very quickly into sand-like structure. Various amount of tons can be put into the concrete mixer machine in one run by using this very useful and big excavator machine. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more stories that inspire. Until next time, keep shining.